So how to change your region on Google Play Store in 2023. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. First, open Play Store and tap right here in the top right corner on your profile picture. After that, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Tap on Payment Methods. Now from here, tap on More Payment Settings. It will take you to your browser. Once this page loads up, tap on Add a Payment Method. Wait for a couple of seconds. From here, tap right there. Tap there again, you'll get a list of countries and regions. Choose the one that you want to change your Play Store to. Once you choose it, just fill in your card information and you should be good to go from there. Now, as another method you can follow is to go to your Play Store and search for any VPN. You can install any VPN basically and use it to change your region basically on your whole phone and Play Store as well. And that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please don't forget to like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.